Yeah. Yeah, put it down there.
Yeah, you go ahead and put it down there. Hello everyone, this is Reverend Glenn Garrison with the Southern Delta Church of Wicca, ATC, here in Lake City, Arkansas. We got a tractor to go with our new land. We got our grant in from USDA. Now we purchased all this property so we can increase how many people we can help feed. So 2019, we started our community garden right there in that parking lot with hardly nothing. Since then, we have grown. We got the amount of ground down there on Maumelle Street, just down the road. Started that community garden down there. That was the first expansion. That's going to stay as it is. We're going to keep building on that one too. But now we have Demeter's garden. Here it is. So we're going to be able to take this tractor that the goddess has blessed us with, get out there, tear all this up. Now, right now, our food pantry across the street is servicing about 150 families, give or take. That's pushing it to about just under 500 people. With what we got going on now and what we're going to expand to do, we're going to try to increase that to 4,000 people. That's what we got in our grant, and that's what we're going to do. And by goddess, we're going to get there. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I still got people calling about the pantry today. I'll get to you in a minute. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Click that little notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we're doing, and give us a thumbs up, a big thumbs up for what we got going on. And until next time, for the Pagan Gardener, blessed be.